Hello everybody, in this tutorial I will show you how to unfriend on Map My Run. First you need to have the Map My Run application, so go to the App Store and go to the search bar or the search menu here and type Map My Run. After that you will click on the application and you will click on this little blue button that says uh, download, but I have it already downloaded, so all I have is to open my application. And now this is my home menu or the main menu, and I need to go to the friend requests or the friend panel. Here we have these five choices, and I will choose this 3 points or the three ellipses icon. In this menu, you have all the parameters or the edits that you can do to the application. But we want to go to the friends button or friends application, friends panel, and here you will find your friend list that you already have. In my case, I don't have any friend. So if you have friends, all you have to do is to click on them and they will give you the option to delete your friends. And of course, they will give you a confirming message if you really want to unfriend this person or the friend that you want to uh, delete or unfriend. And of course, you should accept to be unfriended. And after that, you will have it removed from your friend list. So basically, this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.